Ever wonder how you test graphite? Graphite is brittle, but testing its true strength takes precision. Here's how ASTM C749 Tensile testing works. Start with a properly machined graphite specimen. It should have a uniform cross-section, a smooth surface, and no defects. Mark the gauge length on the specimen, so the video extensometer can pick up the gauge length. Next, carefully mount the sample into self-aligning grips. Then, measure the specimen's diameter and gauge length accurately. These dimensions are critical for calculating tensile strength later. Proper alignment is key to avoid bending stresses, since graphite is very fragile. Now begin the test. Apply a tensile load at a constant, controlled rate until the specimen fractures. No sudden forces, just smooth, steady loading. Once it breaks, record the maximum load at failure. This value is used to determine the material's tensile strength. Finally, calculate tensile strength. Or use Frank Bacon's M-Test Genius software, which calculates it all for you. That's ASTM C749. Simple in concept, but precision at every step makes all the difference.